Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very tasty, very amazing and very delicious recipe of idli, that is Tawa Masala Idli. This recipe is very simple and very quick to prepare. So let's begin with the recipe. For making this recipe, here I have some leftover idlis, and now I am going to cut the idlis in 4 parts. It's completely up to you how you want to cut the idlis. You can cut them according to your choice. Here I have cut it like this. I am cutting this in small pieces. The recipe of rava idli I have already posted. If you want to see, just check on the I button and you will see the recipe of rava idli. So likewise I will cut all the idlis, and here the idlis are ready. I have cut them in this shape. And now we will prepare the recipe of tawa masala. For making this recipe, I am taking a pan. Into this I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once this is hot, add a pinch of asafoetida or hing and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let both of them splutter. Also I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute them as well. Into this goes in 6 to 7 curry leaves. Fry them as well. And everything is fried now. So I am adding onion. I am adding 1 medium sized onion that I have chopped finely, and give this a quick mix. Fry the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Also I am adding 1 chopped green chili. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chili according to your taste. And now goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix this as well and fry all of this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So they are fried now, and now I am adding 1 medium sized capsicum that I have chopped finely. So mix everything together, and now goes in 2 medium sized tomatoes. So I have mixed everything completely and let them cook. Also I am adding the dry spices, so 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. If you don't have pav bhaji masala, you can even add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And now you can see they are cooking well. The tomatoes are soft and mushy now. At this stage I am going to add the chopped idlis and give this a quick mix. So here idlis are coated completely with the masalas that we have fried. And now to increase its taste, I am adding few chopped coriander leaves and again a quick mix. You can see how lovely they are looking. So our tawa masala idli is ready, and now it is the time. I am taking this out. You can see how colorful and how lovely they are looking, and it's also very tasty. So our quick, easy and tempting tawa masala idli recipe is ready. It's very easy and very quick to prepare, and it tastes amazing. So give this recipe a try and you will love this, and comment me down how you find this video. And if you like it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.